In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off GitHub Copilot suggestions in VS Code. If you've been seeing Copilot's inline suggestions pop up while you type and want a quieter editor, this quick walkthrough will help you switch them off without uninstalling anything. We'll make a simple setting change and you can always turn it back on later. Start by opening Visual Studio Code on your computer. Give it a moment to load your workspace or open folder if you use one. You don't need any special project for this, just the editor itself. Next, open the settings view. The most direct way is to use the menu. Go to File, then Preferences and click Settings. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+, on Windows or Linux. On macOS, press Command+. Either way, you'll land on the settings screen where we can search for the exact option we need. At the top of settings there's a search bar. Click into it and type the word Copilot. This filters all settings related to the GitHub Copilot extension, so you don't have to scroll around. If you don't see any Copilot entries appear, make sure the GitHub Copilot extension is installed and enabled. If you need to install or update anything, I've placed the official Visual Studio Code download link and the GitHub Copilot extension page at the very top of the description, so you can grab them safely and quickly. With the results filtered, look for the setting labeled GitHub Copilot, Enable. This toggle controls whether Copilot provides inline code suggestions as you type in the editor. To turn off suggestions, simply uncheck this option or switch it to off. The change takes effect immediately in most cases. If you still see an older suggestion lingering, just close and reopen your file, or reload the window from the command palette if you'd like a fresh start. A quick tip about scope. In the upper right of the settings view, you'll see options for user and workspace. User applies the setting to all projects on your machine, while workspace limits the change to the current project only. If you just want to quiet Copilot for a particular repo, switch to workspace before toggling the setting. That's it. You've turned off GitHub Copilot's inline suggestions in VS Code. If you change your mind later, return to the same setting and toggle it back on. Thanks for watching.